Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It's a very nice morning right now. Right now just going to the porch. And like it. Sun is rising right now over here. Finally. Yep. This is brand new. I just looked on. Everything is doing good right now over here. Yep. Might admit, that I just did last night. I did this one, Pat, I knew this Pat. And I got this one. And got I got these here right now. Sweet basil. I'll be loaded just soon with them. Garlic tree. This is brand new. This imports water right now. This rain gauge is doing good. Yeah, see? These things are just doing good right now. This one's just doing good. This one too. This one is brand new. That's brand new. That's brand new. Yep, flowers right here. This is doing good. Turning green quickly. Okay. She's losing things right now. Flowers. Bay leaf tree. Here's my bay leaf tree. Right here. This thing is going to be big very soon. 60 60 feet, and the good news that I just found I'm just getting new leaves right now on my tree. There's some Bailey tree is doing good. Elephant is doing good. Mine's a mint right now. Oh man, this is just doing good now. Really good. Okay. Okay. This is my uranium water right here, right now, the system. This thing goes through right here, to support water. Yeah, seeing what I did, I did that. There's a hole all along the corner. And according to this, there's rainwater, and I've got that. I think I could fit around 8 more of these here. Right, right, there's two there. Yeah, yep. This is a zoo. This is a Rubbermaid. This is a garbage can. A regular. This is just a regular garbage can. And this is how I can just do it. Wait, is by this, and goes in, either goes in that way. As you could tell right here, same thing, really, as this. Yeah, I even think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those loads. It'll be those 9 of those. 50. Let's see. Is the just it. It is I mean, it is a big gallons each, and those the bells. So I will just have loads of water soon. Yay! Yep. My lawnmowers. Wait. My tree is doing good now. But the only one minor thing right now is this. A pain in the butt. Oh God, I will need to mow. I will need to mow this week. And this is huge. Mine's a van. I need to do because it's loaded too. Yay. Oh. This is Convoy. This is my existing Convoy over here. What's he doing, Khan? Oh, what good boy. Yeah. Man, Khan boy. Sit, Khan. What good boy. Okay. Since it's warmer now, I can just put the leaves right there now. And kind of thing right here. And right now I'm back. And just, now I'm back here. I need to just move this a little bit. This is kind of morning coffee he loves. Oh, yep. This is brand new. I'll be just working on the home soon too. This is very soon. I'll wash it really nice. So yay. The hose too I have on the hose for it. And carpet maker. And gotta put this in the trash. It underneath my sink and hide it. Okay, everybody. Good morning, Miss Marlon. Huh. Good morning, so far. Bye-bye, everybody. Love you all.